Dear Cheri, after making cannabis butter or cannabis oil, there's a lot of plant material left in the pot. I hate to just throw it out. Is there anything I can do with this? Good question. Before I answer it, I just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube subscription button and notification bell because I do upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, talking about the plant material that's left over after you make cannabis butter or oil. I really appreciate your thrifty spirit. I know it seems pretty wasteful to throw all of that out, but think of that plant material as the equivalent of a tea bag that you already used to make tea. You already got what you need out of it, so bless it and let it go. If you have a compost pile, you might want to throw it on that, but otherwise, just let it go. One thing, though, that you should never, ever, ever do with that leftover plant material, and I learned this the hard way, never put it down the garbage disposal. Back in the early days of making edibles, I had the bright idea that this might be a discreet way to get rid of it. I put it down the garbage disposal, and it immediately froze up the machine. Well, I had an angry roommate and an expensive plumber bill, but luckily it all turned out well, and luckily that plumber was discreet. But otherwise, after you're done making butter or oil, you've pretty much got all the trichomes or what you need out of the plant. Bless it, let it go, compost it, eat your weed.